in a moment. Now, over 100 families from Dabibi, Naivasha were forced to spend the night in the cold following heavy rains, I should say, that flooded their homes, schools and shopping centers. Residents attribute the problem to the clogged waterways in the area, with fears that the situation could get worse in the coming days. Residents say 2,000 school-going children and workers cannot access their schools and flower farms respectively. Locals say farm produce and livestock were swept away, adding that very little was salvaged during the incident. They now urge the government to build proper drainage systems in order to avoid such cases in the future. In the past, floods from the hills have left scores dead, homes and farms flooded, while feeder roads have been rendered impassable.
Maji imetufurika leo usiku, hatujalala. Vile hata inataka nyesha saa hii, hatujui tunaelekea wapi. So tunaomba usaidizi kwa serikali yetu ya kaunti na serikali yetu yote watusaidie.
Hii ni njia ya maji, ni mto, na ilikuwa tumefukua miaka mitatu iliyopita. Kwa sasa silt ama mchanga umejaa, tunahitaji excavator ije ichimbue ama idisilt kwa njia hii yote ya maji, maana maji haya yanaelekea mto wa Lake Naivasha. Kwa hivyo kuna njia mbili. Njia ni kutoa mchanga na ya pili ni kujenga culvert.